Welcome to Mobile Tech World. Today I'm going to give you a quick software tour of the HTC Desire and show you how the new HTC Sense UI looks like and performs on the latest Android 2.1 handset. So I'm going to turn it on. And right here you have the Sense home screen divided in 7 different panels that you can populate with different widgets and shortcuts or programs. You can do whatever you want to do with them. The new feature is the ability to quickly access one of the 7 panels without having to scroll left and right. You just have to pinch and select the one you want, and you can quickly jump from one panel to another. But if you still want to scroll, you can use the optical trackpad to go from one panel to another. So I'm gonna zoom into the screen to give you a better view. And if you hit the home button, you have basically the same functionality. So if you're using your headset with one hand, you just have to hit the home button once and jump from one panel to another, and a long press on the home button gives you access to the quick task switching pop-up menu that lets you jump from one application to another. So back to the home screen. One of the newest features of the HTC Sense UI is the ability to create basically your own home screen and save it and reuse it afterwards if you wish to change the home screen because you're on vacation or you're on travel business, you have a business meeting. So you just have to go into the scene menu, and as you can see you have several HTC scenes preloaded on a handset that were created by HTC. You have the HTC social, work, play, travel, and clean state. So I'm gonna go into the social scene, hit done. Okay, it's just saving the one I did before. Now it's loading the social scene that was created by HTC. Here they decided to put this type of clock here, direct Wi-Fi access right here, contacts, mail. They left this one empty, and if I want to go back to the one I had before, I just have to go and tap custom, and it will just reload the previous scene I was using with the previous wallpaper. Here we go. So you can basically create anything you want, any type of combination using widgets, programs, applications, and save it and reuse it afterwards. So I'm gonna check out the work scene created by HTC. Yeah, the mail stock, and I can use it, and I can even change it, and if I change it, it will just ask me if I want to save it. I just create a new unsaved scene, and I can save it and create another one based on the one HTC created before. So I just cancel, and I'm gonna go back to my own scene. Oh, sorry. Here we go. So as you have probably noticed, everything is running fairly smoothly thanks to the Snapdragon processor. You don't have any lag. Basically the only times I'm seeing lag using the phone is if I choose to use an animated wallpaper. So I'm gonna take this one for example, with animated bubbles. And now I'm not sure you're gonna notice in the video, but when scrolling from left to right, it's actually a little bit slower than before, and even the pinching animation isn't as smooth as it was when I was using a normal wallpaper. And even scrolling in the programs menu isn't as smooth as it was before. I'm just gonna show you how it was. I'm just gonna change to a basic wallpaper. I'm gonna take this one. Here we go. I'm gonna go into the program that you can see edit. It's a lot smoother now, and going from left to right is even faster than it was when I was using the animated wallpaper. Pinch, zoom, pinch back. Here we go. So I'm gonna show you actually how the browser works on the HTC Desire. See, I had mobile tech were preloaded, and one of the nicest thing about browsing on the HTC Desire is that once your page is loaded, you don't have any checkerboard effect, so you can scroll up, down, left and right, and everything is already loaded and in the memory, so you don't have to wait for the page to load like you do on, for example, on the iPhone, on Windows mobile handsets. Everything is really fast. And the other thing is that this browser features the reflow functionality. So when you zoom in, the whole text is reflowed to the size of your screen. But unlike reflow on Opera Mobile on HTC's Windows mobile handsets, if I decided to zoom into this picture, I can just use my 2 fingers, and as you can see, it didn't go back to the left like it does on Windows Mobile. And this is just something I just don't understand. I don't know why Opera doesn't fix this problem on Windows Mobile handsets. I can just zoom here, it will zoom into the picture. I can zoom again, it will just stay here. But if I try to zoom on some text, it will focus on the text. So it's really a great browser. It even supports Flash, as you can see. The YouTube videos embedded in the page are just showing up right here. I can even just hit on a video and play it directly in the browser. Unfortunately, the quality isn't really great, so it's best to use the native YouTube application available on the handset right here. And just to show you how many anyway, just to show you how many applications are running in the background, I downloaded a third-party task manager on the Android market, and as you can see, there's a fairly long list of applications currently running right now, and the whole thing is just really fast. It never lags. I've been using the phone for nearly 1 week. Never crashed on me once. Everything's smooth. Everything's really awesome. So this was a quick software tour of the HTC Desire, and you can just follow me on mobiletechworld.com. Thanks a lot for watching.